If your Xbox app downloads are running really slowly, there are a few things you can try to speed things up. First, turn off real-time protection temporarily. Just open the Start menu, search for Windows Security, and go to Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down and click on Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Then toggle off Real-Time Protection. This can sometimes help boost your download speeds. Just don't forget to turn it back on after you're done to keep your system secure. Next, adjust your delivery optimization settings. Open the Start menu and go to Settings. Then, head to Windows Update Advanced Options and click on Delivery Optimization. Change the download settings to Absolute Bandwidth Limit and uncheck the box that says Limit as a percentage of measured bandwidth. This will stop Windows from limiting your download speeds unnecessarily. If you're still having issues, try repairing or resetting the Xbox app itself. Go to Settings Apps Installed Apps, find Xbox in the list, click the three dots next to it, and select Advanced Options. Scroll down to the Reset section and first click Repair. If that doesn't fix it, click Reset. Don't worry, you won't lose your games or downloads. This often clears out any hidden issues that could be slowing things down. For extra speed, you can also pause any other downloads or apps that might be using bandwidth in the background, like Steam or web browsers. If possible, connect your device to Ethernet instead of Wi-Fi. A wired connection is usually faster and more stable. You can also give the Xbox app a higher priority in Task Manager. Just press Ctrl+Shift+Escape to open Task Manager. Find the Xbox app under Processes, right-click it, and choose Go to Details. From there, right-click again and select Set Priority High. This will tell your PC to give the Xbox app more of the system's attention during downloads. If none of this works, as a last resort, try reinstalling the Xbox app. Go to Settings Apps Installed Apps, uninstall it, and then reinstall it fresh from the Microsoft Store. A clean install can often solve persistent issues that nothing else seems to fix. After trying all of this, your download speeds should be way faster. If they're still slow, there might be an issue with Xbox services, so it's worth checking to see if they're having any outages.